Friends, we are going to learn basic concept of operating system like paging and segmentation. First is, what is memory? Computer memory refers to the devices that are used to store data or programs on a temporary or permanent basis for use in computer. Second is memory management. Memory management in operating system is what? It is a kind of method or it is a kind of functionality to manage various kind of memories. Means in our laptop system there is a lot of different types of memories available. Like we are having RAM, we are having hard disk, we are having registers. So how we can manage all the memory resources in a more and more efficient manner? This is the functionality of operating system. So, what is the basic fundamental property of an execution of any program? Program is executed only when it is transferred from secondary memory to primary memory or RAM or main memory. Execution of any program occurs when they are present in main memory. So, here as you can see, P1, P2 and P3, these are different types of instructions code of program. They will not be executed when they are present in secondary memory. They can't be itself executed when they are only present in secondary memory. They can be in ready state and they needs to be allocated space in primary memory. So, execution of any program occurs when they are only present in RAM or primary memory. In secondary memory, P1, P2 and P3, these are loaded in primary memory. Their execution is known as process. Process is a technical term which is used in operating system. So, here is the scenario. Secondary memory contains 5 KB process 2. This is just an assumption. Suppose primary memory is of 10 KB in size. So here in primary memory total 8 KB blocks are free. 2 KB blocks or 2 KB memory space is occupied by process 1. In secondary memory 5 KB process is waiting for allocation in primary memory. So, in primary memory contains 8 KB memory and process 2 only require 5 KB. So, it will definitely get memory space in primary memory. So, it will occur when non-contiguous memory allocation. This will not be possible in contiguous memory allocation. According to the contiguous memory allocation, 5 KB process 2 will be allocated in primary memory only when there is a free memory space is available. But here only 4 KB space is available in primary memory. So 5 KB process cannot be moved to the primary memory or RAM. This problem is known as external fragmentation. Now, next is, what is the concept of paging? Actually, in paging, secondary memory is divided into equal number of fragments or uniform blocks which have equal size. Here, we have assumed pages of 1 KB and primary memory is also divided in equal number of fragments where each segment has size equal to the size of secondary memory fragments. And we call fragments to the secondary memory as pages and segments of primary memory as frames. So, secondary memory is divided into equal number of blocks which are called pages of uniform size. And primary memory is divided into equal number of fragments which are called frames, and frame size is equal to the page size. This concept is known as paging. This is the scenario. Secondary memory contains process P2 which has 5 KB size, and process P1 is occupying 2 KB memory space or 2 frames in main memory or primary memory. So, if we follow the concept of non-contiguous memory allocation, 5 KB blocks or pages is waiting for memory allocation in primary memory. Then process P2 occupy 4 frame in above side and 1 frame in below side in the primary memory. Here solves our problem. So paging is basically deals with the problems. So now P2 has allocation in primary memory, so it will execute it in task. Now next is segmentation versus paging. Paging is basically physical division of the memory and segmentation is logical division of memory. What does it mean? Paging never cares about what is the actually present in instruction or programs. It is just a physical division. Suppose if program contains loop or recursion, they need to be kept together in memory. Segmentation is logical division of programs together rather than having fixed page size. In order to maintain logical division, segment size is valid also. So, it is clear that segment size cannot be uniform. It have different size also. But in paging, page has equal size. Thank you.